This is the Redmi K90, and it's packing the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a triple 50-megapixel camera, and a battery that just won't quit. But with a price tag that's creeping up, is it still the budget king, or is Xiaomi coming for the big leagues? Redmi K90 launches with Snapdragon 8 Elite, Bose-tuned speaker, and 7100 mAh battery under $400. Redmi has officially launched its new K90 series in China, and while the top-end K90 Pro Max is getting the flagship spotlight, the standard Redmi K90 is no less. At just around $350, the K90 delivers hardware that would have cost twice as much not long ago, including a 2K display, a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and even sound tuning by Bose. The Redmi K90 sports the same TCL M10 screen as the Xiaomi 17 series. It's a 6.59-inch 2K LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 3500 nits of peak brightness. The flat panel also has 25 and 60Hz PWM dimming and HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support. Under the hood, Redmi has gone with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, paired with Adreno 8/3G P5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. It also has a 5300mm cooling area with a 3-step design to keep thermals under control. The vapor chamber cooling system does its job. I recorded a peak temperature of 44 degrees on the back, warm but totally manageable. For serious mobile gamers, this phone is a genuine A+ performer. Out of the box, the phone runs HyperOS 3, Xiaomi's latest software overhaul based on Android 16. The K90's camera setup packs a 50-megapixel Lighthunter 800 main camera with OIS, joined by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 50-megapixel 2.5x telephoto periscope lens on the rear. Whereas the front has a 20-megapixel camera for selfies. The main sensor's large size, combined with OIS and Xiaomi's Night Owl algorithm, produces stunning night shots. There's minimal noise and excellent color retention, especially compared to last year's K series. The K90 can shoot up to 8K 30fps, but I recommend shooting in 4K 60fps for the best balance of detail and smoothness. The stabilization is solid for walking shots. Powering all that is a massive 7100 mAh battery with 100-watt wired charging, which should easily deliver more than a full day of heavy use. Other notable features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, IP68, IP69 water and dust resistance, and a 3D ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. The phone also brings dual stereo speakers tuned by Bose and a refined X-axis linear motor for better haptic feedback. Despite its large battery, it's relatively sleek at 8mm thick and weighs 206 grams. So which is it? Gaming beast or camera king? The answer is it's both. The K90 delivers an absolutely top-tier experience for hardcore gaming with its cooling and processor, and it brings a flagship-grade camera feature, that 5x telephoto, to a price point that is just too good to ignore. This phone isn't just a flagship killer, it's a flagship contender. If you want the absolute best performance for the money right now, this is it. Which feature is more important to you? Let me know in the comments, gaming or camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.